20 Minute Setswana, Lesson 12, Grammar Note Section, Part 2. Welcome to the Grammar Note section of Lesson number 12, 20 Minute Setswana. Reboile gape fa Johan Zervik. O amogele segile, Johan. Oka, Johan.
Kiteng wena o kae Tian?
Kiteng, ketsogile sintle. Now, today we're talking about directions, and we're talking about the imperative form of the verb, which means I command you, not in a rude way, but I tell you go straight or turn right, etc. Okay. Now, Mpho and I were talking about going straight, and she said "Tuelela pele."
Yeah, tswelela pele is go on forward.
Okay.
That I think would be the English translation, and you can also use another verb. The verb is tlamalala. Tlamalala is only a verb, but that inherently means go straight forward.
Okay. So is go tlamalala a verb?
That's 100%. Yes.
But I can just say tlamalala.
Yeah, you say tlamalala, and that means go on straight.
Okay. All right. We were talking about going left and going right. Now, this seems to be a little bit complicated in Setswana. The verb we used was go retoga.
Retologa. Retoga.
Okay.
Retologa.
Retologa.
Yeah.
Are they the same? Are they interchangeable?
Retoga means turn.
Okay.
But if you add the suffix that makes it retologa, it means turn around.
Oh, okay.
So actually it means turn around to your left. Actually the correct meaning is turn around 180 degrees.
Okay.
But in a context of explaining a road, you can use it as turn also.
Okay.
But there's another word that maybe we must mention also. It's the word that it's a more street Tswana one.
Okay.
Where you say chika.
Chica.
Yeah, chika.
That's a little bit easier.
But goed chika is to turn.
Okay.
But chikela, it means turn in a direction.
Okay, that's interesting.
So now we add left or right. Right is moja,
Yes.
because that is the hand you eat with. You remember the verb that says ja,
Yes, to eat is
Yeah.
goja. Yes.
but you eat with your right hand. So moja is the hand you eat with.
That's
That
very
means
interesting.
right. That's about bit of cultural knowledge.
Yes.
When you because in the rural areas they don't use utensils. You eat with your hands,
Correct.
but you eat with moja, the right hand.
Yes, that's where the word right comes from.
That's where
In
it
Setswana.
comes from. Moja.
Okay.
So you see the ja, the verb that means eat.
Okay.
Okay, so now if you add the locative, the place, so turn in the direction of right, in the direction of left.
Yes.
You have to add the locative,
The ng.
ng.
Yes.
But we must remember a becomes an e. So molema
Yes.
becomes molemeng.
Okay.
Chikela kwa of mo molemeng.
Okay. So you can't just say mojang. You can't just add the ng to that a. That a needs to turn to an e.
There's a sound change there
Okay.
when it comes to the grammar.
Okay.
And you can say mojeng or kwa mojeng.
Okay. So let me get this straight. Let's use the verb gochika that you said a little bit more street language. Okay. So gochika means to turn.
To turn.
But now I add this ela suffix.
Yeah.
What do we call this ela suffix?
That ela suffix is called applicative. It
Okay.
means you do something in a certain direction
Okay.
or towards something.
Okay. So as a rule, when I add this to a verb, it means in the direction of.
In the direction of,
Or,
yes.
or
that's it.
towards. Okay. So in other words, I've now changed chica to chikela.
Chikela. It's the ela, which you can add it to all the verbs.
Okay.
And then that verb means in a certain direction.
So if I eat in a direction, it will be jela.
Jela. You
Not that you use it.
yeah, you can say
Okay.
ki jela kwa bo apelong. I eat there in the
In the hospital.
in the hospital.
That's interesting. Okay. So chica becomes chikela. And now I understand that moja or molema becomes mojeng
Mojeng
or
and
molemeng. Okay.
That's it.
Because now location has been introduced and we add this locative ending. So for a Setswana speaker, it would be strange to just say chikela mojeng.
Yeah, you see, that's a bit of Southern Sotho.
Okay.
The Sotho people, they don't have that mofa and kwa. They just use the noun with the
Okay, that's interesting.
locative ending.
So chikela mojeng wouldn't sound quite correct. You have to add this
It's
more.
not correct, but the meaning will still be conveyed.
Okay. Just remind us again, this mo, kwa, and fa, what do we call that again?
That's the demonstrative.
Okay. Now, the verb for to go is ho ya, correct?
Yeah,
In
oh,
Setswana.
yeah. It's the YA.
Y-a. But if I tell you, if I command you to go, do I say ya?
Yeah, there's two different ways. The
Okay.
one way you can say it, you add an E in front of it,
Okay.
and then the ya stays the same. Then it becomes only e ya,
Okay.
so you command.
Okay.
But if you don't put that E in front, you have to add another A because it's a one-syllable verb.
okay.
When you make commands of a one-syllable word, that one-syllable word, you must add another A. Because I can't tell you, ja.
Okay.
I tell you, ja.
That's interesting.
For instance, when I say the verb for eat is ja, but if I tell you and I command you to eat, I don't say ja.
Okay.
I say ja.
Eat.
You see the ah,
Okay.
it sound you can listen to it. It sounds longer.
Yes.
So you have to write it also with a double A.
So in Setswana, when you have a single syllable verb and you want to use it in the command form, the imperative, you have to double this last vowel.
You double that last one, and it's always an A.
And it's always an A
Yeah.
in Setswana. Okay, so let's test this out. I'm going to tell you, Johan, let's say we meet one another on the street, and I'm going to tell you to go straight, go right, and then go left. Okay, so in
Let's
Setswana, I will say, Klamalala, Edia mo mojeng,
Eya mumujeng, yes.
Janong eya mo molemeng.
Yeah, okay. Just what I remember now is that janung. So you are saying go left, and janung, now go right.
Yes, because Janong is actually now.
Yeah.
I remember that.
But you can also use another word there, go right, and after that, that word is morago.
Morago.
Morago. After that, turn left, turn right.
Okay.
So for instance, if I say tswela pele or tlamalala, go on straight, kwa pele, there in front, chikela kwa mojeng, turn right. Or morago, chikela kwa molemeng.
Okay.
So maybe we must make a Setswana GPS in future. Yeah?
That's a good idea. Well, I understand much better now regarding directions and directing someone. If I'm confronted now on the street,
Yeah, you can explain the road now to somebody in Setswana.
yes, I can explain to people how to go straight and keep left, etc. So, Johan Zervik, just once again, thank you for having joined us today. We'll see you next week on 20 Minute Setswana. Go fitlhela nako e e tlang.